Before ako mag full-time sa Team Benitez, ayun nga, employed ako dun sa family business namin. 9 years din yun, 8 to 9 years. So, dun sa family business, from ano talaga ako, sa pinakamababa hanggang nag-resign ako as general manager. So,
Wow.
nadaanan ko siya lahat
Right.
ng possible positions ng company. So, inobserve ko doon na, syempre, wala namang company na perfect or ano.
Absolutely.
Oo. Pero ako, ang parang kinuha ko doon sa company na yon is, ano ba yung kulang?
Hi everyone, this is Marie Ampelocchio of Radix HR with another episode of Breaking the Mold. With me, joining me today is our co-founder, Randy Lubiano, recently made COO, with our guest, Randy.
Thank you, Marie. And for breaking the mold, we have a special guest right now who is a close friend of mine and used to be my teammate as well. We are with the same industry in the means of wedding photography. And with no further ado, I just want to introduce you guys to Kay Benitez of Team Benitez Photo.
There you
Hello.
go.
Hello,
Okay.
hello.
Finally, I
Yes.
watched, I was just a few weeks ago, I think there was an episode he guested on that prompted our conversation to guest talaga si Kay, right?
Thank you.
Oo.
Thank you for having me.
We want to tell our audience that the topic for today is more about small organizations or companies that actually act that have a mind of a big organization in many ways and forms. So we'll start first with how you treat your people, where their benefit and compensation, where you take them for training or take them for... I mean, there are a lot of elements with what I know from what the information provided by Randy that gusto ko sana isa-isahin this afternoon.
Sure,
Oo. Sige. So I'll kick off. I know you have a lot of questions
Sure.
also. So, to begin, where do companies talaga begin to look at kailan ko ba dapat isipin, ibigay yung mga dapat ibigay sa mga tao? Is it on the onset? Did it take you, and how many years did it take you to be in a good place like this? Na parang employer of choice ka of the industry that you look after.
So, we started siguro 2012.
2012.
2012. That was our first wedding.
Okay.
Tapos, ano pa yon? It started with me, my brother, and my wife. Yeah. So,
Oh,
kaya siya
wow.
Team Benitez.
Got
Kaya,
it.
Puro Benitez kami.
Yes.
Tapos, yun nga, nung una, ano lang siya, parang team weekend kami, in a way. We call it team weekend because we have regular jobs, all of us. Yun lang, pag may gig ng Saturday, Sunday, kuha kami. Tapos, fast forward to 2015, 2014, 2015 na medyo dumami na.
Okay.
From the regular na before na 2 to 3 weddings per month,
Okay.
nagiging parang 10 to 12. It depends on the month. Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah,
okay.
depende. Kasi may mga lean months, may ghost month pa din. So,
Yes.
yun nga. Pero ang ano talaga namin, our goal was to have at least 100 weddings per year. So, yun.
Imagine mo ha, they even have their own KPI na sa corpo, ganun ang tawag, no? But good, you have that,
Yeah, oo.
okay?
Parang yun yung ano namin, parang benchmark ba tamang term or basta yun
It
yung
is.
target namin.
It
Yun yung
is.
target namin na kailangan at least 100 weddings kami per year. So nung medyo close na and medyo feel na namin na kaya na namin ma-reach yung target. We decided na mag-resign ako muna. Nag-resign muna ako pati yung brother ko sa
Got it.
company namin.
Okay.
Yun. Buti, pinayagan naman.
Okay.
Because it's a family business. Kaya ano. Then, nag-resign na kami. Tapos, nung na-reach na namin yung 100 weddings per year, that was 2017.
So from 2012 to 2017, it's still less than 100.
Yeah.
Tapos
oo.
nag-build
Kasi
up siya to
parang
that.
ano pa lang eh, parang hindi pa kami fully committed with that.
Correct.
Oo. Kasi
Oo.
parang hindi namin alam kung ano ba,
Yes.
ito talaga yung calling namin.
Okay. Wow.
Yun.
Okay.
Pero after, ayun nga, 2017, nung na-reach na namin 100 weddings na, sabi ko, kailangan ko na ng admin, kailangan ko mag-aayos. Kasi,
Seryoso na to.
I cannot do yung,
Yes.
habang nag-shoot ako, may tatawag, may mga inquiry, ganun. Tulong ka sa akin. Ayun, para, so, siya yung nag-a-admin sa amin, ganun.
Nice. Nice.
Tapos, yun nga, yung na-mention mo na question about yung sa tao.
Yes.
Ano pa nung una, parang wala pa kaming solid na team. More of freelancers. Kasi sa wedding photo and video community, may mga groups yan wherein you can look for photographers to shoot for you as
Okay.
freelance.
Okay.
So wala siyang black and white, walang contract, gano'n. As for today lang din, you pay.
So, sino lang nakasweldo? You, your brother, and your wife?
Yes, oo.
Oo.
Pero
Tapos
yung
the rest are freelancers.
freelancer,
Okay.
so gano'n kami nagsimula.
Right.
Tapos, sabi ko, alam mo, medyo ano na rin, advance ko na din iniisip na, paano if, kunyari, naging stable na, right?
Yes.
We need a core team, we need a solid team na atin talaga.
Tama.
Masasabi kong, part ka, core team ka ng Team Benitez. So yun, siyempre, nag-start kami dun sa parang pinaka-circle namin.
Yes.
Kasama din si Randy, yung mga ganon.
Yes.
Yun, nag-migrate na, kaya parang ano. So yun, from small circle of friends, na photographers din, yan,
Right.
si Randy part din nun. Parang doon ako nag-start na, sige, okay yung work chemistry namin. Pero wala pang after kahit ilang shoot pa yon, wala pang, you're part of us. Hindi pa.
Wala
Parang
pa. Wala pang offer. Wala pang job offer.
Wala pang offer.
Okay.
Pero nung nung medyo confident na kami na tuloy-tuloy na to. Parang nag-start muna kami sa tatlo na photographer. Tapos yun, sinabi ko, parang lang yun. Actually, hindi siya super formal.
Okay.
Parang niyaya ko na mag-dinner sila sa bahay.
Oh, wow.
Tapos, ayun, out of nowhere, sinabi ko, eto yung upcoming wedding, sa gusto namin maging part na kayo, yun, ng team talaga.
Which
Kumbaga,
is meaning unemployment na siya.
yes, oo. Yun, kumbaga parang part na sila ng core team namin.
Wow.
Yun.
I love
Tapos,
that. Oh.
Bukod doon, parang aside from giving them the schedule and all, parang inassure namin na priority namin sila when it comes to booking. Pero parang ayokong, yun ang rule namin mag-asawa eh. Ayaw namin na parang yung opportunity sa mga tao namin is sa amin lang, enclose siya.
Okay.
So, parang walang ganun. Ang ginawa namin, kapag wala tayong shoot, since galing sila sa pag-freelance, they can still do freelance to other studios.
Kahit they are already parang employed with you.
Yes.
Ah, ang ganda.
And
That's
to
a new
other
paradigm,
companies. Oo.
That's a new paradigm not typically used by other employers.
Kasi yung ibang studio, sa pagkakaalam ko, meron yan silang nasa contract nila na laws na bawal kang lumabas kay
In most companies.
Studio A. Kunyari kami si Studio A, bawal ka kay B, bawal ka kay C. Yung mga ganon. Sa amin, hindi. Parang for us, since ang work naman namin is not Monday to Friday, tapos
Tama.
indefinite pa kung per month ba, gaano karami. So, we make sure na kung gusto nila, kaya pa ng energy nila na mag-work, mag-freelance for others, pinapayagan namin. Parang ayaw din namin na enclose lang na sila lang sa amin. Ganon.
Wow.
Yan.
Ang dami ko na agad tanong doon pa lang sa element na yun. Pero do you have a question?
I've known Kay
for over a
decade siguro.
Oo, more than 10 years na.
More than 10
Oo.
years. So, yun nga, nag-start kami as, we call it competitor, pero I mean, with our community nga, we don't see ourselves in competition.
More of healthy
Yeah.
competition.
Oh, healthy
Yan,
I
competition.
love that too, ha? That's another thing that corpo is a bit different.
Yeah. Kasi it's always the couple lang magde-decide for us eh. No? So, we just parang help each other kung ano yung style. And siguro question ko lang kay Kay is, bakit nyo naisip na yung reason behind dun sa parang nakwento mo kasi sa akin na may mga benefits yung mga ano nyo, yung mga
yes.
team members nyo. Hindi ko na
Yes.
inabot yun eh.
Yeah.
At that time. Oo.
Lumipad ka na.
Lumipad na. Oo. Pero yun eh, parang yun yan. Nagkwentuhan tayo last time, no? Sabi mo, ito may mga benefits na yung mga
Wow.
kaibigan natin. And part din yung kapatid ko doon. So,
Wow.
ano yung reason behind doon? Maliit na company. Pero yung definition nga ng maliit is by
No,
the
I agree with you too. But I like your question, which is baka you can answer that first, and then I'll piggyback later on that.
So, yeah. Basically, more of personal experience. Pero before ako mag full-time sa yun nga, employed ako dun sa family business namin. 9 years din yun, 8 to 9 years. So, syempre, dun sa family business, from talaga ako, sa pinakamababa hanggang nag-resign ako as general manager. So,
Wow.
nadaanan ko siya lahat
Right.
ng possible positions ng company. So, in-observe ko doon na, syempre, wala namang company na perfect or ano.
Absolutely.
Oo. Pero ako, ang parang kinuha ko doon sa company na yon is, ano ba yung kulang sa company na para maramdaman ng employee na, oy, ako, valuable, pinapahalagahan ako ng employer ko.
Exactly.
Kasi may mga doon na talagang, before, kasi unang-una yon yung health card. Which is, For me, siguro, pag tinanong ako, isa sa mga naging impact mo sa wedding industry. Feeling ko naman na yung pagbibigay ko ng health card sa team,
Super true.
oo. I'm not sure if ako yung una, pero feeling ko ako yung unang nagyabang about it sa social media, which is,
Yeah.
hindi ko
Which is-
kinakahiya yun.
Yes.
Which
Kasi-
kayabang-yabang siya, actually,
Oo, kasi
to be honest with you.
unang-una, that time nung binigay ko, nung nag-start kami, hindi pa kami ganun kalaki, hindi pa
Yes.
kami
Yes.
ganon. Pero nung naipon namin ng wife ko na,
Wow.
kaya na natin
Wow.
mag-provide dito sa mga team members natin ng tigi-tigisang health card. Talagang for me, parang super win yun, kaya talagang pinost ko siya sa social media. Niyabang ko talaga siya. Niyabang ko kasi, achievement for me and personally
It
na.
is.
Kasi ako 8 years ako nag-work. Lahat ng check-up ko before, ako nagbayad.
Oh, from your own
Lab
pocket.
test, lahat. Pero noon yung inaral namin, ano ba yung benefit ng health card?
Okay.
Kasi nga, for the past 8 years sa previous work ko, wala ako noon. So nung in-explain sa amin sabi ko, wow.
Wow,
handa.
talaga.
Sabi ko,
Yes.
Kasi unang-una, yung work namin, physical siya eh.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
before, 12 to 14 hours yung work per day.
Yes.
Last year lang talaga namin na-implement yung 8 to 10 hours na work.
When you say
Kumbaga-
implement, you as the owner of that business said to the client, na
Yes,
this is our term and
yeah.
condition.
Yes,
The usual wedding will take you like 12 to 14.
It's crazy.
In the Philippines.
Yeah.
Pero
no.
nung talagang naging vocal kami about our working hours na ganito na kami, 10 hours lang tayo. Continuous. Kahit halimbawa nag-break or kumain or may travel, continuous siya. Alam namin may risk yun, which is nakita namin before na yung bookings namin medyo parang may mga months na kumonte kasi ang comparison, si Studio A, 10
Comparison,
hours. Si
oo.
Studio B, 12 hours. Knowing Pinoy market, parang doon tayo sa masusulit natin. Which is, yung pala, ang technique lang, we need to educate lang the client.
Absolutely.
Kaya we made one post na talagang dami nag-share na suppliers na
It's doable.
doable na. Bakit kaya ng 10 hours? So, inisa-isa namin. So, yun, nag-work naman.
Oh, kinikilabutan ako. Kasi it's really new to my ears and I've been in HR for some time. And I also as a business person, isa yan sa mga go-to, di ba, co-founding this company, talagang importante na yun hindi mawala, di ba?
Yun yung isa sa
Galing.
talagang nag-push sa akin na, gusto kong magkaroon ng health card yung team ko. Kasi hindi rin biro yung trabaho namin. Oo. Tapos yun nga, talaga kung ano yung mga hindi ko na-experience nung time na as an employee,
Right.
binigay ko dun sa team ko na dapat ganito yung feeling na, aside dyan sa health card, meron tayong parang, for others, feeling ko naman, parang, normal naman yung company outing, normal yan. Summer outing, normal yung Christmas party. Pero for us, parang malaking bagay na yon. Oo.
Absolutely.
Na makakapag-provide ka ng isa or 2 araw na walang trabaho. Magkakasama kayo pero hindi
You're
work-related.
celebrating together.
Oo,
Correct.
yun.
Oo.
So yun yung to answer your question, parang yun yung tiningnan ko talaga. Based sa experience ko personally as an employee, ano ba yung gusto kong maramdaman ko nung time na employed ako, yun yung binigay ko dun sa team ko.
Galing. And dahil nasagot yung part na yon, ang gusto kong idagdag. Kasi you said something, you keep adding layers dito sa usapan natin.
Sorry.
But no, I love it.
Sorry.
No, don't apologize. I
Not to carry
simply
the
love you.
weight
You know
lang.
why? Kasi meron nga kaming kakilala without mentioning na companies that are, siguro i-qualify natin paano yung bigger. Pero bigger siguro in terms of employee size or bigger in terms of revenue, pero refutable yun, depende kasi I don't know your revenue base. But who does not provide even what you provide? Or who does not protect even the time spent of the employees? Ikaw mag-speak on behalf of the employees to say na ito lang ang hours na Team Benitez employees will work.
Yes.
Anything beyond that. I don't know of too many people, especially sa industry mo siguro. Kasi doon sa ibang industry, I think, nagkaroon ng boses because trends were created by other organizations na nasa same vertical or same industry. Sa industry mo kasi, I don't think that was existing in a massive way. Kaya, so on this hour spent, sabi mo nga educate. How did you educate your clients to say na naging source of comparison ka before? And now you have to tell them, if you want Team Benitez, we will only work for this number of hours. Which is mga 3 hours or less than competition.
The normal,
Yes.
the competition.
Yes.
ano din, social media pa rin, yun talaga. Parang, ang tagal ko siyang iniisip eh, paano ko ayoko naman na ano lang, yung typical na write-up lang, ganun, ganyan. Kasi, ang tao eh, hindi na ako lalayo. Ako personally, pag may nakita ko article, parang, haba naman.
Yeah.
Nakakatamad na
Tama
sa
yun. Lagi
ano.
yung sinasabi,
Hindi
rule of
siya
thumb.
engaging eh, pag ang haba.
Hindi siya engaging.
Oo,
Okay,
sabi
okay.
ko, so paano ko makukuha yung attention ng hindi lang clients, actually pati mga co-suppliers.
Yes.
So, ang ginawa ko, okay, gusto ko ipakita na workable siya na yung 10 hours. So, ginawa ko, may isang wedding na alam kong 10 hours siya, na yung couple na yun, isa sa mga una nagtiwala na,
Naniwala.
oo na,
Na it's a doable thing.
kaya ng 10 hours. Dahil sila mismo parang 12, 14 hours of shoot. Parang sila mismo na-realize nila parang sobrang nakakapagod. Hindi lang sa inyo, pati sa amin as a couple. So yun, na-realize nila. So sabi ko, ito na yun. Ito na yung hinahanap kong content. Ito na yung hinahanap kong behind the scene video para
Okay.
magawa ko yung pag-e-educate
Okay.
sa iba. So yun, pagdating namin, naka-timestamp siya. Nag-aayos kami.
Ayun,
May
ganda,
video, mga 10
naka-timestamp.
seconds lang.
Okay.
10 seconds, nag-aayos ng gamit dito.
Hour
Shoot
one,
ng
hour
hour 1,
two.
hour 2, details, naka-gown na, fast forward sa church, hanggang after party, nakalagay doon.
Wow.
Tapos, ayun, parang inano ko lang siya, kinumpile ko lang sa video, tapos yun din. Andun pa rin, kailangan meron pa rin,
May tiny
text
write-up pa rin.
May
Pero
write-up
at
pa
least
din.
hindi lang write-up.
Oo,
You made them, you
kumbaga,
showed them
By,
Yes.
by facts and data.
facts and data talaga. Right.
Yun, kita nila. Tapos ang dami. Ang ganda nung balik sa amin na, Sir Kay, kaya naman pala, no? Sabi ko, yes, sabi ko. And lagi din namin pinapakita na mas may time sila to enjoy and alam mo, be in their wedding.
Yeah.
Kasi pag puro
In the moment,
photoshoot,
yeah.
puro photoshoot tayo, wala, parang ang ending, hindi mo na nakita yung, or nakausap yung relative mo na galing abroad. Dahil busy ka pag
Exactly.
photoshoot, gano'n.
Oh my gosh.
So, nun, ang ganda, kailan ba? Last year ko lang ata siya pinost. Pero, andun, mas naintindihan na ng couple bakit may 10 hours.
So
Pero,
100% ng contracts mo are on 10 hours?
Yes, yes, oo. Pero ano may mga couples pa rin, kaya may clause kami na pag gusto pa rin nila mag-extend, overtime niya yun. Then,
Na before hindi siya overtime.
hindi,
I
oo.
love
Standard yun na 12,
Oo.
14 hours. Kaya, ano,
This is amazing.
I think this is where yung lagi namin pinag-uusapan din nila kay na.
Oh,
That's the price versus value.
Perfect.
No? Yung,
oo, we need our
Sabi
honest.
kanina ni Kay na the 10 hours is perceived as hindi sulit versus sa 14 hours, yun yung sulit.
That's a great point.
By definition, alin ba ang sulit? Yung haba ng oras o yung kumpleto ng storya?
true.
Grabe.
Diba? Meron pa tayong sinasabi na parang laging iniisip lagi ng mga tao na or with the studio owner na nanggaling din ako before na takot kang pumunta sa against the grain only because yun nga yung fear of
Losing out on
dahil
clients and
you'll be
revenue.
compared eh.
Correct.
Mako-compare
Which you
ka eh.
experienced, no?
Oh, pero yun nga, no? I mean, knowing Kay, siya before kasi lagi sa, yun nga, you just need to educate. Pag nagbabatuhan kami ng mga ideas, nung napunta rin siya sa US, no? Parang, ina-explain ko rin sa kanya na dito, ganito yung oras. No? So,
Galing.
hindi nyo kailangan pagkompetensya if you think your product can back up dun sa quality na
Correct.
stamp niya. No, I think it's only because I'm saying it sa HR company, tanggalin natin yung mga brand, same as sa wedding photography.
Yes, yes.
Tanggalin natin yung mga brand, it's the same photos, I guess.
True.
No? Kasi there will be portraits, there will be details.
So nothing is lost, right? I mean,
is lost.
sa doon sa hours na nawala, seemingly nawala, everything has been compressed doon sa 10 hours, di ba?
Kasi yun ang binayaran sa experience, I guess.
Okay. Oo.
Yes.
That's
So
the
there's
value
nothing
of
lost,
experience.
right?
More of, yun, tama si Randy doon. Yung sa experience, actually, kung babalikan lang namin, I think guilty kami dito. Before talaga nung mga first 10, first 20 weddings, talagang yung gagawin mo ng, yung ngayon yung gagawin mo ng 15 minutes ngayon na shoot. Before yan, 1 to 2 hours yan. Kasi bakit? Wala ka pang experience eh. Oo.
Okay, okay.
For example, dito sa room na to, parang, ay, mas maganda ko ba siyang i-shoot sa seat number 1, number 2, or number 3? Since bago ka, sushoot mo
Lahat
sa
mo,
palad.
yeah.
Pero pag alam mo na dito na lang kasi mas maganda lighting. Tapos na kagad, hindi mo kailangan yung
Wow.
unnecessary photos.
Huge decision. Pero yun nga eh, it comes with experience. Oo.
With experience.
Oo.
Although, kaya ako naman, naiintindihan ko yung mga, bakit 12 hours pa din, 14 hours. Siyempre, baka, di ko naman alam yung, yung
Workflow.
history or yung workflow
Yes,
nila na
yes.
baka naman ganun talaga yung kailangan nila to provide yung
Right.
photos for the client.
Or pwedeng you're pleasing the couple versus
Mm.
the couple trusting you.
Mm-mm.
Maraming pwedeng
Yung difference yun, ha?
Kasi ewan ko kung nanggaling ako dun sa gusto ni couple to. Sige, gagawin ko.
Mm-mm.
Versus ako na yung magko-command. Dito maganda, dito tayo
Exactly.
mag-shoot.
Mhm.
Before sa...
Huge difference.
Ay, dun kaya, sige, pwede nating pagbigyan. Pero, before nun, bababara natin.
Mm-mm.
Ngayon, mabilis na lang. And then, babalik tayo dun sa kung saan, yung sinabi ni Gay na, this is where we will shoot the
Oo,
portrait.
right.
Because where it's the confidence and the experience. Come along, naging
Nice.
na-create na nung experience ng years of shooting 80, 100 weddings ba naman. So,
I
Alam
know.
ko 80 years.
80 to 100 weddings.
Oo, but you
annual
guys
pa
are
naman. So,
really providing a lot of clarity here. I-fast forward lang natin to
Sige.
today. How many employees do you have? And how many weddings na yung na-attain? Hindi pa tapos sa 2025, but in 2024, how many weddings did you close?
So, currently, we have 15.
Wow.
Yeah. For us, malaki na yan Sa
It
amin,
is.
for us, malaki yun.
Your
malaki
own
yun.
set of employees to.
Oo.
Wow.
Pero again, ganun din, they have the freedom na
Yes, kung medyo lean.
Freelance, oo.
Pero alam nila, they belong to your
Oo.
studio
Yes,
from
oo.
a permanent standpoint.
Yes, and yun, pag halimbawa, may isa nga kaming editor before. Siya yung prenup editor namin, ganyan. Tapos, parang, yung hinahayaan lang namin sila na, pwede kang tumanggap ng work sa iba ganyan.
Yes.
Yun. So, hinahayaan lang namin. Tapos, pag anong nangyari sa kanya, parang nakakuha na siya ng online job, which pays, siyempre, dollars yun, mas
Yes.
malaki.
Yes.
Ako mismo nag-push, sabi ko, let go muna kami. Sabi ko
Imagine mo yun.
ang exact explanation ko sa kanya is, yung half day na pag-e-edit mo for Team Benitez, yung kinikita mo sa amin ng half day. Pag yung half day mo, binigay mo dun sa possible na clients mo abroad.
Wow.
Times 10 or
Oo.
sabi ko, family na kayo, mas kailangan nyo yan. So, focus ka na dun.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Wow.
Tapos yun.
Tapos humanap ka ng different editor.
Yeah, meron naman. Yun.
Oo.
Tapos yun din
Again, a different paradigm na
Oo.
naman.
Yun din sinasabi ko sa
With
kanya na
corpo.
para makatulong din tayo sa iba. Kasi ang nangyari sa amin, parang nag-start kami ng 3, tapos nakakuha kami 2. Nung kailangan namin, tinatanong namin sinong mare-recommend nyo.
Yes.
Gusto namin yung talagang nasa circle pa rin para workflow-wise and all ganun.
Yes.
Yun. So yun, 15 kami. Tapos yung siguro sinuwerte lang din and sipag syempre na up to now, after nung pandemic, kinabahan kami. Para kasi pandemic talagang nawala halos lahat ng show. Pero like nung nakabuelo ng 2023, 24, parang nagwa 120, 130 weddings kami per year. Mas
Wow.
tumaas pa dun sa before pandemic.
Yeah.
Correct.
Oo, nagulat din kami na hindi ko expect kasi
Oo. Tsaka medyo
ka-
stable, 2 years. 23, pati 24. Tapos
parang-
ngayong year, 2025,
year,
mukha
ilan na ba kami?
it looks like that as well.
Parang more than 120 na din. Pero ang kagandahan naman with weddings, biglaan like kanina may nag-book sa amin habang nagbabay tayo. Ang wedding niya sa October na. Ganun kalapit.
Ang lapit. Oo.
So ganun Kaya kami actually hindi namin tinitingnan yung quota by month
Okay.
Kung ilang weddings per month. More
Agree.
of per year talaga
Agree.
kami. Para
Right.
nare-reach naman.
Galing.
Oo,
I
yun.
mean, I'm very impressed dun sa...
Thank you.
Super impressive talaga. And I think we're setting a trend on, hindi lang siguro sa wedding photography, videography business, but yung iba din mag-iisip, okay, kung sila, they set a tone and trend for their industry, tayo din. Di ba?
Tama.
Whether it's food or, whatever industry it may be, right?
And again, in the spirit of, you've experienced it naman dun sa, sumama ka dun sa parang fun ride mo.
Yes.
It's more on collaboration rather
Yes.
than we see ourselves as, again, a competition. We don't see it that way.
Yes.
Na tayo sa corporate, if we can push it na collaboration is the real flex. No? Na pwedeng lahat maging successful. No?
Yes.
Without pinning down the other same industry or same service.
Yes. Yes.
At the end of the day, it's always the client who will do the decision naman. So, yun lang, at least na-experience na.
Yes, oo, talagang I mean, sa corpo kasi people get into a room, they talk, pero yung collaboration here and there, pero parang hirap sila. There are a lot of corporate secrets na you can just unleash or talk about. Pero kayo kasi even yung kanina when we were talking about the ride, pati daw yung presyo ninyo, you're open to talking about it na, oh, medyo mababa ka na yata. Why don't you, pati yung pinoprotektahan yung isa't isa.
Yes, yes. Kumbaga parang, minsan may nagtatanong, bakit kaya, Sir Kay, bakit kaya yung booking ko di tumataas or ano. Minsan ang ina-advise ko is, baka masyado kang mababa yung price mo, na yung client, na gusto ka naman talaga, gusto yung gawa mo, natatakot. Because yung presyo mo is too good to be true.
Be associated with quality.
Na, ang ganda, pero bakit ang mura?
Now, I heard kanina while we were having lunch, yung about your team building.
Yes.
Kakaiba din yun. Medyo, I mean, of course, I don't want to do this episode para maging source of envy. I just want to say na dapat employers are constantly thinking ways and means to really, yun nga sabi nyo, show value to their people. Pero syempre, it comes with ensuring that you're meeting your targets also. Hindi naman mo magagawa yun. Hindi ka mag-spend ng money without, di ba?
Yes.
So, saan mo naman nagdala-dala yung team mo sa mga team building ninyo?
Okay. Siguro, syempre, nung nag-start kami na, oy, ano naman tayo? Sa Christmas party, lagi naman meron.
Oo.
Lagi naman meron yan. Pero yung Christmas party namin as wedding suppliers, medyo iba. Laging late. Kasi yung Christmas season is wedding season din. So,
Yes.
nangyayari sa amin, pag nag-celebrate kami ng Christmas party, Feb, ganun kalayo.
Ang layo, no?
Yes,
But
kasi
it's still celebrated.
Oo, kasi ako, very open ako with the team. Tinatanong ko talaga sila lahat. Laging, di ba sa Facebook Messenger, meron diyang poll where you can vote.
Yes.
Lagi ako may ganun. Nag-enjoy
Oh,
ako
wow.
doon na, uy, ang saya mag-click-click. So parang botohan kami. Meron tayo, kunyari, may 2 days, 3 days tayong bakante ngayong December or January. Pahinga or outing? So, yun nga, may poll kami. Parang, pag napiling pahinga, which is gusto ko din naman.
Oo.
Or outing. So, nag-start kami, ano ba? Andun pa sila, Randy, nun. Unang-unang mga outing namin, syempre, hindi pa naman ganun karami
Sure, yeah.
bookings. Basta makapag-celebrate lang tayo. Lagi yung parang, ilang taon yung pansol lang kami, hot spring.
Okay.
Los Baños.
Oo. Everybody goes through that.
Oo. Tapos, anong nangyayari? Masaya naman kami. Given, andun.
Yes.
Videoke, may malalasing, the usual. Masaya naman. Tapos, nakikita ko namang masaya dahil everyone's looking forward
To the
sa
next
outing.
event.
Oo. Yun. Tapos, medyo nag-upgrade. Nakapag, dagat naman. So,
Wow.
Medyo mas
Wow.
pricey kasi may travel eh.
Yes.
Oo.
Wow.
Biyahe. Okay. Tapos, nagkaroon kasi kami ng wedding shoot sa New York. Tapos, meron dong billboard na may app na pwede mong i-play yung gusto mo, 15 seconds.
Oh, you're saying this to me. Oo.
So, sabi ko, time ko mag-advertise. Wala pang gumagawa nito na wedding supplier. Isip kami, ganun. Highlights, photos, destination photos. Tapos ang ending, photoshoot namin ng team namin.
Oh, wow.
Nandun. Tapos,
In New York, doon sa
Oo,
Times Square.
Oo. Tapos andun, actually, namin yun sa Facebook page eh. Screenshot ng
Screenshot
video
yun.
na
Oh my gosh.
nasa New York kami.
Oo.
Although kami dalawa lang ni JM, pero
Yes.
picture ng buong team nandun.
Yes.
Tapos doon ako nagka-idea. Parang naisip ko, ano kaya ang feeling pag madadala ko abroad yung buong team?
Grabe.
Sabi ni JM, syempre siya yung ako sa creatives eh.
Siya sa financial.
finance
Okay.
din, eh. Babae talaga magaling dyan. Aminado naman tayo dyan. Oo. Ayun. So, ginawa namin. First ever na out of the country ng team namin was last year. Hong Kong kami, March. Buong team yun. Pero ang ginawa namin, pinlano namin na maigi para hindi talagang mabigat.
Yes.
Parang inuna muna namin yung ticket,
Galing!
After 4 months, accommodation.
Wow!
Tapos, mga a month before, ayan na, yung sa food, yung ano na,
No,
pocket
but that's
money.
amazing. Nakita mo yung
Oo.
sinabi niya? Inuna muna nila. Meaning, you booked and paid for what you can pay for at that point,
Oo,
di ba?
oo.
Who does that?
Kasi
Diba?
kung
And then,
bibiglain namin, medyo kaya, pero talagang medyo parang tulala ka ng mga
no,
ilang
that's another
araw,
thought
ganun.
process.
Oo.
That's another thought process, sa totoo lang. Okay, that's a good one. I mean, I haven't heard too many people or companies do that.
Oh, yun. Ayun,
So that
tapos,
was last year.
Hong Kong.
So this
Tapos,
year. Announce na ba? O
yes,
dapat
announce naman.
announce na.
Oo.
Okay.
Tapos, ganun din. Parang after nung Hong Kong, March yun eh. April pa lang, na-excite na kami mag-asawa. Sabi ko, grabe, ang saya. Ang saya. Kasi for me, personally, ewan ko ba kung bakit kami mag-asawa, gustong-gusto namin na nakakapagpa-experience kami ng something new sa ibang tao. And majority nung team ko, first time kumuha ng passport, wala pang travel.
My heart
Kung-
is full.
Or kaya domestic lang.
Hmm.
And tapos yung domestic flights nila, trabaho din. So hindi siya
Yes.
counted as ano.
Agree.
Oo, may iba na isasama ko sa Japan pag shoot na. Pero yung sabihin mo na andito tayo para mag-Disneyland. Ganun
Iba
talaga.
yun.
Tapos yung mga age bracket naman namin, mga ano na talaga eh. Parang from late 20s to sabihin ko bang 40s na tayo.
Oh, may bidensya tayo. Okay.
Okay,
Oh.
late 20s to mid 40s.
Got it.
Tapos yung iba pa nga nag-aano na, Boss, Disneyland, pambata yan eh. Ganun pa sila. Pero nung nandun na, tapos di ba ang ending sa Disneyland lagi is the fireworks.
Fireworks!
Lahat, kitang-kita ko yung mga reaction nila, nakanganga, ganun.
my
Mga lalaki to ah.
Oh, I know!
Lalaking tatuan to ah. Tapos yung may isa akong
Oh my God.
may isa akong photographer doon na ayaw talaga niyan. Kasi sabi ko, yung Disneyland kung hindi gusto okay lang. Pero nung siya na lang yung natitira, sila nung partner nila, sabi ko, hindi, sumama kayo. Sabi ko, ngayon lang ako mag-co-command na, demand na, sumama kayo.
Oh, normally you don't do that. Parang,
Oo,
wow.
Sabi ko, you have the free will. Pero eto, lahat tayo nandito na kayo lang yung
Yeah.
sumama. After nung Disneyland, lapit sa akin yung dalawa. Boss, thank you. Pinilit mo kami.
Oh my God.
Ang sarap, ang saya pala, ganun.
Yeah.
ganyan. Yun, by the way, yung sa Disney, yung Hong Kong trip namin, add ko lang. Pinayagan ko yung may mga partner, may asawa, may anak. You can bring your family.
Oo.
Pero
They pay
sila
for
na-
it.
Oo.
Oo.
Pero yung food, sabi ko, ako nang bahala. Ako nang bahala.
Wow.
pagkasama niya.
Generous still. Very
Oo.
generous.
Tapos
Yeah.
yun, yung this year, November, Taiwan naman. Tapos,
Baka di nakuha ng audience. Taiwan po.
Taiwan. Taiwan naman kami.
Wow.
Ginawa ko, Christmas ko in-announce. Parang lahat, naka-receive ng sobre. Tapos, pagbukas nila ng sobre, siya, itinerary na. Kaya,
Randy, this is my kind of man. Ito yun. Ito yung gusto ko yung ganyan sorpresa na sa company natin. I mean, kasi we've been talking about it, but siguro, yun nga, we haven't met our target, but there are teams that have it. Ang gusto ko nga para simulan with that. But anyway, we'll talk about it kasi ang na-inspire mo kami.
Ay,
And I'm
thank you,
sure,
thank you
I'm sure
po.
ang daming inspired by what you said just now. So pagbukas nila, kasi I like the fact na may sinusulong ka na hindi normal doon sa industriya. Ikalawa, meron pa kayong mag-asawa na yung effort to make a difference in the feeling that you give by surprising them, iba din yun.
Oo.
Honestly, iba din yun.
Parang, tapos dati naka-video, may compilation kami
May
nun
ganyan pa.
na parang, kitang-kita mo yung although napag-uusapan, pero
Yes. Iba yung actual na
actual
confirmed.
may ticket ka na may pangalan mo. Ganun
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Tapos, isang funny story dyan, sabi ko, this time naman tayo, all boys naman tayo. Kasi sa team, yung wife, si JM lang yung muse namin. Eh. The rest boys eh.
Right.
So, medyo na ako na, okay lang kaya sa team na all boys kami, bawal yung mga partners nila, yung asawa, girlfriend. Sobrang nagulat, na-shock lang ako sa reaction na tuwan-tuwa pa. Sabi ko, mga visit kayo. Yes, all boys naman. Sabi ko, sobrang opposite ng, kala ko kasi parang, boss, baka naman pwedeng sama.
Oo.
Hindi, masasaya. Excited. Sabi ko, okay, at least na
Yes.
maiba naman. Ayun.
Oo.
So yun yung mga
Wow.
proud na
Super, you should be.
proud kami na nabless kami kasi yun naman ang goal namin talaga sa Team Benitez eh. yun, nable-bless kami.
Yes. You
Oo.
share it.
Kailangan i-share
The
mo siya
people
eh.
who
Oo,
works
parang
hard.
mas masaya din na sama-sama kayo na yung masaya kayo, yung gano'n.
Yes.
Hindi yung parang, oh, yung employer lang yung masaya, yung ano lang yung ano.
Exactly. Oo.
Kumbaga parang super confident naman ako na pag may tinanong na isa sa team ko na masaya ka ba with Team Benitez? Very confident ako na they'll answer with a loud yes. Very confident ako about it.
For sure. Ako na confident for you, man.
Thank you, thank you.
Sure. Any question from your end?
No.
Or reaction siguro?
Again,
Nakikita ko how proud you are of this conversation.
Yeah,
Right?
this is, sabi ko nga, parang it's been a long overdue with Kay kasi he's one of the person that really inspired me
Correct.
nung nakilala ko siya. And up until now, hanggang sa the relation
Yes.
grew, Nung anak ko. So, kasi from the start talaga, nakita ko yung ano niya, nakita ko yung humbling niya. And sabay kami. Sabay
Right.
na ngayon kahit na hindi naman na sidetrack ako. It's always the wedding industry yung vision and paradigm ko. And
Yes.
Kay is one of the guys that I really look up the most only because yun nga the way he spend time with his people, how he value the people dun sa team. And the experience ko kasi yun.
Right.
I was with the Team Benitez too, until nagkaroon na rin ako ng sarili. And all. Ayan, this guy really, yun yung tinatawag nating small giants. Tawag namin din small
Yeah.
Ganda, ganda
Oo,
ng term.
yes.
small giants.
Oo.
It doesn't need head counts. But
Absolutely.
the small impact, small details plays big impact with Team Benitez. And it starts with the people talaga.
Ibang paradigm to and I love it.